Learn how to use the new automatic bank reconciliation feature powered by Jax to easily categorize and match your bank transactions in Xero. Jax, our AI financial super agent, will work behind the scenes to automatically reconcile many of your bank transactions in real time. This will help you get up-to-date books faster and win back time to focus on what's most important, while staying in complete control. From the dashboard, click Reconcile 8 items. To enable automation, click the Auto Reconcile button at the top of the page. Automation needs to be turned on for each specific bank account. Read the information on screen, then click the checkbox to turn on Auto Reconciliation. Then, click Save. Now that you've turned on Auto Reconciliation, Xero will start automatically categorizing and matching transactions where there is high confidence in accuracy as the statement lines arrive in your bank account. Anytime you want to review the transactions that have been automatically reconciled by Jax or manually reconciled by your team, you can click View All Reconciled. You'll have full visibility over automation on the new Reconciled page. It's a single view where you can see bank and accounting details together, understand Jax's reasoning, and easily undo anything that doesn't look right. You remain in control, ensuring accuracy and confidence in the final output. It learns from your actions, becoming an even smarter partner to you over time. If a transaction is reconciled by Jax, it has the label Rule, Match, Memory, or Prediction to show the method Jax used. Hover over the method label to view the reasoning Jax used to reconcile the transaction. If you reconcile a transaction manually, the transaction has the label Manual. If a statement line was incorrectly reconciled, or you need the line to be unreconciled, use the checkbox on the left-hand side to select a transaction. Click Remove and Redo to unreconcile the statement line and delete the transaction. It's important to note that this action cannot be undone, and the transaction will have to be recreated. Confirm that you want to delete this transaction by clicking Delete Transaction. The transaction has now been deleted, and the statement line will return to an unreconciled status. Auto bank reconciliation will help streamline your reconciliation process and help you save time to focus on what really matters for your business.